Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kelvin Johnson. In this video, I'm going to show you how to bypass TPM 2.0 by modifying your Windows 11 ISO image. You know, one of the requirements for Windows 11 on your laptop, to be able to install Windows 11 on your laptop, is to actually make sure that your laptop meets the requirement of having trusted platform model as the TPM 2.0. So without you having the TPM 2.0 on your laptop, definitely you will not be able to install Windows 11. So, but you can actually modify your registry file during the installation process, but we can actually modify the ISO image before we even decide to install Windows 11. So what I'm going to do is this. See, I have the Windows 11 ISO image and we have the Windows 10 ISO image. So we want to actually copy a file from this Windows 10 and then place it in the Windows 11 ISO image so that we'll be able to bypass the TPM 2.0 during installation process. So but what we need to do first of all is to extract this file to a folder. You can see I've already extracted the Windows 10 to this folder, and then I extracted Windows 11 as well to this folder. So I use the Power ISO. You can see I have the Power ISO here on my laptop. So if I go back into Windows 11, so what I just did is I open this file, this ISO image with Power ISO. Just open with Power ISO, and here you can see all the files. You can see it's bootable. So I actually extracted this file to a folder. I say all files, and then I just browsed to the location of the folder, which is Windows 11, extracted, and I say OK and OK. So let me just cancel this. So after doing that, what we need to do is we need to go to, I also did the same for Windows 10 as for Windows 11. So we need to go to our extracted file, to our source folder. Here I need to go to my source folder. So I have a file I need to copy, which is called the appressseries.dll. So you can see I need to copy the appressor, that is this file here. Just copy, and then I'll need to paste it in this Windows 11 source folder. So just Ctrl V and then replace the file in the destination folder. So after doing that, we need to actually, again, because right now you can see that this is not an ISO file, because now we need to actually convert these files to an ISO image. So I'm going to use Power ISO to do that. So let me just go to my start menu, and then I'm going to just click on Power ISO, and then I'm going to add the files. Let me just click Add Files and Folder. So I'm going to browse to the folder location under my documents, Windows 11, and here we have the Windows 11 extracted. So I'm going to select all the files, the folders and the files, and then just click Added. So but right now you can see that it says non-bootable image, because if I decided to convert these files now to an ISO image, it will be non-bootable. So what I need to do is I'll need to make this folder or these files bootable, so that if I convert it to an ISO image, I will be able to install my Windows 11, or my Windows 11 will be actually bootable from a USB drive. So what I need to do is right now go to Tools, and I'm going to Action, and here we'll go to Boot, and you can say Add Boot Information. So I'm going to browse to the folder location as the Windows 11 extracted. So I just need to go to All Files. Here you can see we have the boot MGR, so just select that and click Open, and then click OK, and you can see right now it has become a bootable image. So now after the modification, what we need to do, we need to save this file. So now I just need to click Save. So it's going to ask me where do you want to save the file. So I'm just going to say I want to save it to, let me just create a new image here. I'm going to call this actually it's asking me, I want to save it as an ISO file. So I'm going to call it, let me just change this name to Windows 11, and then just click Save. So you can see that the file is being actually extracted right now, and it's being saved to this location. Let me go back into this location. You can see that our file is being saved. So let me just wait for this file to be saved. I think it's going to take about 20 seconds, and then open our new ISO image and see how it looks. So now the ISO image has been saved. So let me just close this, and here you can see we have the new ISO image. So what I need to do is, if I let me just right click and then click open with Power ISO. You can see that it's now bootable. So we can actually decide to use like Rufus. If you have Rufus, let me just close this. If you have, I've already downloaded Rufus on this computer as well. So here we have, let me go back to my download. So here we have the Rufus. So I can decide to use Rufus to create a bootable USB drive. We can, if you have a USB drive, you can decide to create a bootable USB drive by actually selecting your ISO image, and then you just create a bootable USB drive. Or if you want to actually upgrade from a Windows 10 to Windows 11, let me just expand this. From Windows 10 to Windows 11, so what you need to do is just go to your Windows 11, and then we have the Windows 11 ISO image. So we need to open this, and then, or we can just actually save this file. We can extract this folder, this file, to a folder, and then double click on that folder, and then we will be able to install our Windows, upgrade our Windows 10 to Windows 11. So this is how you actually modify your Windows 11 ISO image to bypass the TPM 2.0 instead of using the registry file. Thank you very much for taking your time to watch this video. My name is Kelvin Johnson, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more IT videos. And if you have any question about this video, please send me a personal message, and I'll reply to you as quick as possible. Or you can leave a comment below in this video, and I'll also reply to your comment as quick as possible. Thank you very much, and goodbye.